So what I have here are two folding chairs from Sportneer, or Sportneer, depending on who you talk to. Everybody says it differently. One is adjustable, one is not. And today, I'm reviewing them both. Let's take a look at them now. You have the adjustable one over here, the non-adjustable right over here. The setup process is virtually the same for each. The storage bags are essentially the same for each. The materials are the same for each. The weight of the adjustable version is 2 pounds 5.2 ounces. The non-adjustable version is 1 pound 15 ounces, so it's right there at 2 pounds. When it comes to the storage bags for these chairs, they are the same dimensions. You're looking at roughly 14.5 inches by 5.5 inches. The height, slightly different. I'll get to that in just 1 minute. The price, slightly different for each. The adjustable version retails for $34. The non-adjustable is $30. There's one color available, and you see it, black and orange. Speaking of materials, you're looking at aluminum, plastic, and 60D nylon. With the chairs side by side, you can see just how similar they are. There are very few differences. Truly, the only differences are height, adjustability, and side pockets. The non-adjustable version has no side pockets, whereas the adjustable version does. This pocket here is for a drink, and the other pocket is for whatever you want to put in there. Let's talk height and adjustability for a second here. With the adjustable version, the base height, the lowest height possible, is 13 inches. The non-adjustable version, 13.5 inches. As you can see down here with the feet, the legs, it is adjustable at each corner, front and back. And you can take this from 13 inches to 14 to 15 inches high. Sitting down in these chairs happens to be very, very comfortable. It's a very comfortable seating position, and we might as well start with a review now, starting with pros. I've had these chairs and I've been testing these out for numerous months. You all have seen these being used in my adventures here on the channel. I've received a lot of questions about these, and the question is, do I recommend them? And yes, I do. I've had no issues with these chairs. I think the value is very good. Both of these chairs are very comfortable. Both are very easy to set up. Both are also very easy to break down. Both are also very lightweight. And also, these chairs are very stable, especially this one because it is adjustable. Thanks to the feet here, you can raise one foot, you can lower the other depending on what you're on. So if you're on a rocky surface, if you're on a surface that's not necessarily flat, you can make this chair work. With the non-adjustable version, cannot do that. The feet, the legs, they are the way they are, right? This one does give you that versatility for different types of terrain. Both of these are inexpensive. Now, that is a point that we should talk about because there are many foldable chairs out on the market, most of them very similar in design. And the prices can swing drastically. I mean, some by certain companies can cost double the amount of these or even triple the amount. And essentially, you're getting the exact same product. One thing I really like about these chairs is the size. In my opinion, this is the perfect size for an outdoor chair. There are so many chairs out there that are just gigantic, where everybody sitting in one looks like a toothpick. The back goes up to here, the arms go out to here. Some could be quite ridiculous. In my opinion, not these. Now, of course, if you're a very tall individual, you may want a chair that goes a little bit higher than this. I mean, 13.5 inches, 13 inches, up to 15. You're not that far from the ground. But luckily, the seating position here is comfortable. My tallest buddy, who is 6'2", who is actually sat in one of these, he had no issues with this at all. Because of the lightweight nature of these chairs, you can hike with these. You can backpack if you want to. For me specifically, I don't mind the weight for a day hike. Right around 2 pounds for each one of these chairs is not bad. Without a doubt, you can carry these with you on an overnight trip if you don't mind the weight. As you can tell, there are quite a few pros for these chairs, but what about the cons? First off, let's talk about height. No matter which version that you get, you are going to be close to the ground. If you have issues with your knees and standing, these chairs may not be the best fit for you. If you're a larger individual, you may want a larger chair, of course. I think for most people, this is a good fit though. Let's talk about the adjustability aspect of this chair. It goes from 13 inches to 15 inches. Is that a big deal? Absolutely not. Can you actually tell the difference between 15 inches and 13 inches when sitting on it? Nope. You surely cannot. Now, with that being said, I would recommend the adjustable version because of the adjustable legs. It gives you more versatility when it comes to terrain. You can essentially put this chair on just about anything and you can make it work. You can raise one leg, lower the other, you can put it on rocks, sticks, over roots and whatnot, and it works just fine. In my opinion, the adjustable version is like the next generation. There really doesn't need to be this version. That's just my thoughts on it. They're so similar in terms of design and weight and size that, in my opinion, there doesn't need to be two versions out on the market. One will do just fine. I would like to see a version where you can actually remove the pockets just in case you don't want them. Essentially making the chair as light as possible for those people who want to take it out on an overnight trip where weight does count. Next up, when it comes to cons, the storage bag for the adjustable version, it is tight. It is a very tight fit. Now, one con is the adjustable legs. It's a little bit finicky. You have to, of course, push in and then slide up while holding the bottom of this. Otherwise, you'll just simply pull the leg out. So it works. It just takes a little bit of work to do it. Now that I've gone over the pros and cons, let's summarize. Do I recommend these chairs? Yes, I do. Either one works very well. My preference would be the adjustable one. It does give you further options. It is a little bit heavier. It is also a little bit taller, which is a good thing. For the money, the value is excellent. The quality is excellent. And essentially, you can use these for just about anything, any sort of purpose. You can take these car camping, which I've done. You can take them hiking, which I've done. You can take them fishing. You can take them hunting. You can do anything you want to with these chairs. They're a good size, so they're easy to carry around, easy to set up, easy to break down. And honestly, there's not many complaints that I have concerning them, especially for the price. All right, everyone, that's my review. I am done. If you have a question, email me. Make sure to comment down below. What do you all think about these chairs? Which one would you personally go with if you were interested in a folding chair? If you happen to own one of these, make sure to share your experiences with the community because everyone will appreciate it. Until next time, everyone, take care, strength and honor. Have a good one.